Is your roof in need of repair or replacement? Look no further than Denny's Roofing, LLC, your trusted roofing company in Boulder, Colorado. Our experienced roofers will inspect your roof and provide a detailed estimate of the work required. With over 20 years of experience, we have provided top-quality roofing services to the Boulder community. Our team of expert roofers is trained to handle any roof replacement job, big or small. At Denny's Roofing, LLC, we use only the highest quality materials to ensure a long-lasting and durable roof. We stand behind our work with a comprehensive warranty, giving you peace of mind for years. Don't let a damaged roof bring down the value and beauty of your home. Call Denny's Roofing, LLC at 970-808-0247 today to schedule your roof replacement in Boulder, Colorado. Or visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/boulder-roofing-company to learn more about our services and to schedule your free estimate. Denny's Roofing, LLC, your trusted roofing company in Boulder, Colorado.